at my house, so that should give us some time.
When are we really gonna eat? I'm hungry.
Do you think we're gonna find this house?
We'll never know if we don't try.
Well, what are you gonna do if we find her?
I'm gonna say, hey lady, you wanna mess with the Schreiber family? Is that what you want? Okay, boom! Headbutt!
Hey, sorry. Amy.
Oh, hey, Lindsay, what are you doing here?
I just came to say hi. That was really great. It makes me wish I played an instrument.
Yeah, you should join band.
Well, I kind of taken a break from activities. I quit the athletes twice.
Yeah, Millie told me.
So anyway, I know this is kind of out of the blue, but I know this guy, Ken. He's got a crush on you.
Do I know him?
Well, you kind of met him the other night.
Was he the guy who was making fun of me?
Yeah, he's a total wise ass, but that's how he shows that he likes you. It's just this weird sense of humor. I don't know. So if you're not doing anything, we were gonna go to the Laserdome tonight.
Why? Laserdome sucks.
Yeah, that's what I thought you'd say. I totally understand.
But I'll go.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, why not? Ken's cute, don't you think?
Uh-huh.
I love those funky sideburns. Don't you just want to reach out and touch them?
Huh. Do I?
Let the good times roll. Let them knock you around. Let the good times roll. Let them make you a clown. Let them leave you up in the air. Let them brush you rock and roll. And let the good times roll. Let the good times roll. Let the good times roll.
Tell you one thing. When I get married, I'm never gonna cheat on my wife. Even if she gets old and fat.
Yeah. I'd be happy just to get a wife. I mean, but I don't think I want the kind that's gonna get old and fat.
I don't even know how you even get one girl. How does anyone get two?
You know what'd be cool, guys? To find a girl in a bottle. Like I Dream of Jeannie. I'd like to make out with her on that little couch.
Yeah, Cindy would look good in those puffy pants.
You think your dad's ever cheated on your mom?